Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency symbol in Google Sheets. This is particularly useful when you're working with international transactions or need to present financial data in different currencies for various regions or clients. First, open your browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. Once there, you'll need to log in to your Google account. Make sure you're using the credentials associated with the workspace where your spreadsheets are stored. This ensures you have access to all the files you need to modify. After logging in, you'll be directed to your Workspace dashboard. Here, you'll see all your documents, spreadsheets, and presentations. Take a moment to locate the specific spreadsheet where you want to change the currency symbol. Once you've found it, go ahead and click on it to open the file. Now, let's say you have sample data already entered in your spreadsheet, and currently it's displaying amounts in US dollars. The process to change this is straightforward, but you need to know exactly where to look in the menu system to begin the conversion. You'll need to select the data you want to modify. You can do this by highlighting the specific cells containing the currency values, or for a quicker approach, simply click on the header of the column. Clicking the column header will select all the cells in that column at once, which is especially helpful if you're working with extensive datasets. With your data selected, direct your attention to the top menu bar. Click on Format, which will open a drop-down menu with various formatting options. From this menu, hover over or click on Number. This will expand another submenu showing different number format options available in Google Sheets. In the Number submenu, look for and click on Custom Currency. This option gives you the flexibility to choose from a wide range of currency symbols beyond the default settings. It's a powerful feature that allows you to customize your spreadsheet to match your specific needs. A dialog box will now appear on your screen, presenting you with numerous currency options. You can either scroll through the list or use the search function to quickly find what you need. The list is comprehensive, including currencies like Euro, US dollar, Afghan, Afghani, and many others from around the world. For this example, let's select Euro from the available options. Once you've clicked on Euro, you'll notice a preview of how your data will appear with the new currency symbol. If everything looks correct, go ahead and click Apply to confirm your selection. The system will process this change across all the selected cells. And there you have it, the currency symbol in your spreadsheet has been successfully changed. Your data now displays in euros instead of US dollars, making it easier to present information in the appropriate format for your audience. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.